Thank you for the follows. Guys, if you could like and share the live, I'd really appreciate it. And don't forget to follow on all of my accounts on the in my bio. My main TikTok is there. But so's my bakery. There's no hubby. All of these demands are not what we do here. So hey Valak. My day was okay. I made it. And now, I'm making myself some nachos. Understand. I went to the gym, and there's this guy at the gym. He's very serious. He's very, 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 very serious in the gym. No eye contact, which is fine. Nobody ever looks at me at the gym, if we're gonna be so for real. Anyway, I went to the grocery store after the gym because I was like, Mama's getting nachos. Mama's getting nachos. 94% of you, don't forget if you're following me here to follow my main. Don't give me your phone number. I'm not going to call you. Somebody will, but it's not going to be me. Then their name is going to be Steve. And they're going to take all your money. We don't do demands here. If there's something you want to see, there are other places you can see it. But we don't do that here. Here we hang out in the kitchen. We do what we need to do. Guys, if you can like and share the live, I would appreciate it. It always winds up that everybody wants to hide me once they found me. But the more you share, the less likely it is that I'm going to get banned. So, if you like hanging out with me in my kitchen on a Friday night, liking and sharing helps. Gifting also helps, but I understand if you can't. We don't do demands here, and we don't do requests here. That's how I get banned and ED.